Most people think the biggest money problem is not earning enough. But the real problem is something far more uncomfortable. The average person is quietly losing a financial game they don't even know they're playing. Imagine working for 40 years, waking up early, paying bills, saving whenever possible, and after all that time, millions of people still reach retirement with less money than they expected. Here's the strange part. The average person is surrounded by more wealth, technology, and opportunities than any generation before them. Yet many are living one emergency away from financial stress. Why? Because the numbers don't work the way people think. A person might earn more than their parents did, but their lifestyle grows with it. A bigger salary creates bigger payments. A better job creates higher expectations. The paycheck rises, the pressure rises with it. Then there's debt, credit cards, car loans, buy now, pay later. Small monthly payments make expensive things feel cheap. A $700 payment doesn't feel like a $40,000 decision. But the math remembers. Over decades, tiny financial choices compound, not just investments, but mistakes. A person who delays investing for 10 years may lose years of growth they can